DoNotPay, iLegal assistance pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people think legal help has to be expensive and slow, but the surprising truth is that DoNotPay uses AI to make legal assistance fast, affordable, and accessible. DoNotPay offers a subscription plan for per month, giving unlimited access to AI-powered legal tools. You can handle tasks such as contesting tickets, cancelling subscriptions, filing small claims, and even drafting basic legal documents. There is no per-use fee, so heavy users get exceptional value. For example, if you receive a parking ticket, DoNotPay guides you through inputting the details, generates an appeal letter, and submits it automatically. Users report that this can save both time and money compared to hiring an attorney for minor disputes. The platform also includes chat-based iLegal advice for consumer rights, helping you understand contracts, billing disputes, and basic employment issues. Most users find that it dramatically reduces stress and eliminates the need for costly consultations for routine legal matters. In conclusion, DoNotPay iLegal assistance offers excellent value for individuals seeking quick, reliable legal support. With a fixed monthly subscription and powerful AI tools, it's a cost-effective way to handle everyday legal tasks efficiently.